making a very simple ravioli. So we make the dough by adding the flour, we add egg yolks to it, we add just a little bit of water till the dough comes together, and we let it rest, we get a beautiful dough like this. Then we use this really amazing machine here, and you run it through the machine like this.
This little arm costs nothing.
That's right.
And everybody has a stand mixer, and you just keep passing it through this thing.
And as it rolls through.
Ain't no big thing to make stuffed pasta.
So
it's
as
fun.
you can see here, even if it gets a little bit of holes in it, we folded it over like
and you keep making it thinner with each pass.
That's right, and it lets it come through even better the next pass, just like so. And then, you know, because I'm such an amazing cook, I can do this over and over again, and I get these beautiful sheets in 2.3 seconds.
Woohoo! You can see through it.
Now, as this rests, we're gonna make the stuffing real quick. So over here, we've got some cannellini beans. Everybody can buy these at the store.
I love how simple this is.
Right.
Anybody could make this.
And I'm gonna add to it some Parmesan cheese. Okay, like this. And we add a pesto to it. Now my pesto is a little bit unusual. I like to use roasted jalapenos because I am a Texan.
Hello, you're from Texas.
Some pistachios.
Yum, I love pistachio.
Some roasted garlic. We use basil and also spinach. So this drives the ravioli to be a little more healthy. Also drives ravioli to have a little more nutrients in it. And then we like to put
and a depth of flavor that's
an
lovely.
egg yolk. Yeah. So what we do is we kind of shake the egg yolk out like this.
Drop
put it in
her
here
in.
like that. Give me one of the fancy things you have there.
The dish towel, the mopping.
The mopping. Puree. And we add a little bit of olive oil, which I have here. Like this, until we get a nice smooth texture to it.
And through the magic of television.
That's right. We have a little pesto we add in there as well. So on and so forth, like that. You with me so far?
I'm with you, baby.
Okay, now we're gonna cut these up.
And then it looks like this guy.
So we're gonna cut out some circles here. We're gonna make mezzaluna, actually, okay?
Mezzaluna, half a moon.
Half a moon, for those who don't have the vocab. Get our filling like this, drop it in, like here.
A little bit of water to be glued on the edges.
Water, or I like to use the leftover whites.
Oh, the leftover whites, sure, because you had all them yolks.
Trying to be efficient. And we fold them over like this to make these beautiful
little mezzalunas. Ta-da!
Look at that. All right. Now, if you'll drop some of those in there for me. So the water, guys, when we make pasta, we want the water to be salted like the ocean.
Yes.
Okay, very,
Season
very important.
the water, very important.
Very important. It changes the way the pasta flavor goes. You can't add enough salt to pasta to make it taste right. The pasta's got to absorb the salt through the water. So, I'm gonna add some shallots here.
It's like it's going to the spa.
That's right.
Yeah.
And then we add some shaved garlic like this. So I add some rabbit rattlesnake sausage, another little kick that we have
Yum!
here. So a sausage that we came up with, my son and I, out on our ranch. We saw a rattlesnake. I had to kill it, then went and hunted some rabbits. So I made a sausage one time at the ranch, and now we sell literally 30,000 pounds a year.
30,000 pounds!
So here we go.
That's a lot of snakes and rabbits.
That's a lot of rabbits and snakes. So we're gonna saute this till the garlic caramelizes a little bit translucent. We're gonna assume these have already cooked because that's how good we are. Then we're gonna put them in here like this, and we're gonna let these toast just slightly. And then we're gonna add some chicken stock to that, right here.
Yummy, yum.
Deglaze the pan with a little chicken stock like this. As we see this cook, the chicken stock starts to thicken just slightly. That's very important here. So we add some butter here.
And that's the beautiful marriage of sauce to pasta.
Cold butter is important. And we flip it together like this. If you make the sauce right, then it'll come out very, very smooth like that, unbroken. We put a little bit of
like velvet
roasted jalapeno pesto that we made earlier on top like that. And then we put a little basil.
That's
it.